we need to isolate a little bit more on our leg extensions. A lot of y'all like to do both legs at the same time. When it comes down to great leg development, in order to see phenomenal growth in your legs, you need to make sure you're doing a lot of isolation work too. We isolate arms and all this other stuff, but we never isolate legs. And as you can see right now, drop that seat back so you can engage more the quad. And then two, make sure the pad isn't too low. Got to pull this up as well. Squeeze, boom. Get the squeeze at the top. Focus on that squeeze at the top, very important. There we go. Good, make sure you squeeze in the abs as well. And once we start getting heavier with the weight, this isn't a big concern when we're using lightweight, but just make sure you are holding those handlebars, squeeze them as tight as you can. That's gonna be another way to stabilize yourself when we're going with heavy weight. And just as though you ain't know, to build really good quads from leg extensions, you don't really have to go extremely heavy. Save the heavy for some of those other compound movements. Big fan, a huge fan, if you haven't realized this already, of progressive overload. One great way to be able to go up with weight and making sure that you're using the appropriate weight at the appropriate time. Easy. Remember, squeeze at the top. For those who want to hold at the top, those isometric holds, do this with lighter weight with leg extensions because it's entirely too much stress on your patella. Be mindful of that. And that's another reason why I tell y'all, you don't have to go heavy with leg extensions. My favorite weight range is 50, 70s. I might go 100 here and there, every blue moon. Feeling it. The first 2 sets we did 20 to 15. The last 3 sets that we're gonna do, because I like to spend a lot of time on leg extensions, if you haven't noticed. I like to do generally like 5 sets. The last 3 sets, we're gonna increase the weight and we're only doing 10 reps, that's it. This one I like to focus on a little bit more time under tension. And that's what, 70 pounds, nothing too crazy. Let's get it. It's 90 pounds on this one. Oh, one thing I'm tired of hearing too, everybody be making it seem like you gotta slow it down. If your reps gotta be that slow, I would never be this in shape. I'm just getting y'all to understand it. So do be mindful. Do things that you enjoy, that's one. And like I said, there's pros and cons to everything that you do. If you pay attention to my exercising videos, I'm not going extremely slow, and I'm cut up more than a lot of people that you probably see. So do be mindful of that. It don't always gotta be slow. Time under tension to me is so overrated. Mind you, this is a 30-minute workout. Remember, squeeze the abs as tight as you can. Mainly when we're going with heavy weight, squeeze the handlebars as tight as you can as well. Make sure you're nice and locked in place. Squeeze. There we go. Easy. Good, easy. Remember, it's all about control. You can have, and this is what I keep trying to get y'all to understand, you can still have control in a fast pace. Powerlifters use that. It may not look like they're pushing as fast as they are, but they're being very explosive, but still with control. So you can do fast-paced motions while still engaging and incorporating the muscle. You just gotta know how to train.